Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can search mails by date in Google Mail. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Mail in my computer and I'm going to show you how we can search mail by date. So you just need to go to the search menu right here and then you can go to the filter option. And if you want to search a mail by date, you can select the date right here. But here in this date within, I recommend you to select one day, and then here you can choose the date you want to search the email for. And I'm just going to select, for example, August 30. Okay, then we just need to click on search. Okay, and these are the email in the August 30 of 2024. Okay guys, and that's all the way to search mail by date in Google Mail. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.